Give him a little drag.
I did.
Dawaj,
Pull up and reel down.
Ara Mihani.
Watch out, watch out.
Velet Mihani, zakopaj.
Pull up and reel down. I'll call you right back.
Papi go sahami yapıyoruz.
Keep pulling. Keep reeling.
Get these boys.
That's right.
Good job, my man. Keep reeling. He looks like he's coming up.
Adam
Pap
uçtu.
eşyaları. Pap.
He ain't even there yet. Hey, reel, bro.
Ara Mihani.
Roll down.
Hey, listen. Relax. Stick it straight down. Just relax, big dog.
You want to
Don't
hold this right
panic.
here for me?
Pull up.
That's a big one too.
Let him
Hold
run.
up.
Let him run.
Stop reeling.
Okay, now
Pull
reel.
up. Just pull up. Pull up and reel down.
Dawaj,
Pull up and reel down.
Now,
Take
reel
out the
down.
slack.
Reel down. Reel. He's running. Let him go. Let him
Let
run.
him
Put your
run.
hand
Let
right
him
here.
run.
There you go.
Nej, vår hela gör tap atalım.
Real, keep up with him. Remember, keep a bend up in that rod at all times, guys.
And I'm going to be sliding right behind you and grabbing that net if he pops
Hey,
up.
and if I tell you to stick that rod straight down in the water, stick it all the way in there.
Over the rail like that,
Now
okay?
stick it straight down. Stick it down in the water.
Like this. Like
Just
this.
like that. All the way.
Right there.
Yeah, just like that.
I'm going to help you, all right? I got you.
He's back up. He's up in the back. Pull up. Lift up.
He's good. He's not that tough.
No, keep it back there for right now.
All right, let's put it back in your waist. Keep reeling. Right there. There you go. Nice and easy. Just relax and enjoy your fight. Nice and easy. Keep running. I'm watching the line. That's that double blueberry.
They like the double
Hey,
blueberry.
listen, bro.
Yeah.
If you pull up
Yeah.
and then reel down, taking out the slack, you'll do a lot better.
Like this. Look, stop. Reel up. Look, pull up.
And then
Oh,
reel
he's a big
down.
boy. He's a big boy.
I know he is.
You're
Come on,
tired?
man.
Wait,
Hey,
wait,
stick
come
it straight down, bro. You gotta watch what's going on.
I got you.
Watch what's going on.
Metre.
Hard. All right, he's back in behind the boat. He's right there. Lift up. Hey, look how you fighting the fish.
Come on, stand up. Stand
Hey,
up, my man.
relax, man. Your adrenaline getting the best of you. Remember what we talked about?
Fuck.
Relax. Just relax.
He's killing me.
Just relax. Pull up and reel down. Pull up.
Okay, now reel down.
Now reel down, taking out the slack.
Okay.
Pull up. Now reel down, taking out the slack.
healthy.
There you go. Watch those other rods, guys.
Yeah.
Reel down.
Ja.
Reel down. Reel. Okay, hold on.
Pull up.
Reel down.
Reel down.
Pull up.
Pull up.
Hold on, not so hard. You're gonna bust them up. Reel down. Don't force it. Okay. Hold on. Right here.
Pull up. Rear. Yeah, keep going. Reel. Now pull up. Reel down. Here he comes. Here he comes. Pull up.
Excuse me, my man.
Reel down.
You guys watch out behind me with this net, guys.
Pull up.
Nee, Tarek, we hebben zo'n stang.
Where's all this water coming from?
Because they all leaning on that side. That's why. Pull up.
You guys
Ja.
put that weight on the back of the boat.
Reel down. Hey, you don't gotta reel until you're taking out the slack, big dog. Here he is right here. Nice flop here. Hey,
Okay.
nice.
Yeah! Look at that!
Jokes, man.
Hell yeah! Woo!
Bigger than your supper.
Welcome to Hooked Up.
Anam?
Hey, man.
Good job.
Hey, Adam. Al sigaret och here's your cigarette.
Oh, man. How that felt, man? How that felt? All right.
So fucking up.
All right.